First things first, this is, let's do a video on what I picked up. Since everybody's all in a rage about China and all this stuff. China, China, China. There's like a really guy on TikTok. He does advertisement for, what is it? Signs. He's so funny. He's like, China, China, China. You hear a bullet go off. He's like, and he has a Trump wig on. It's the most hilarious thing. And then, I don't know what he's called, but he does a thing for LED signs. That's hilarious. If you're on TikTok, as much as people complain about TikTok, there's a lot of, if you're interested in something, who cares what the hell people think? I picked up these things. They are Dremel things, wire brushes for Dremel. But instead of the short ones, they're extended ones. Because there's a lot of places in, I'm cleaning up the other engine over there, and a lot of places that the little short ones can't reach. Sorry about that. Apparently my phone ran out of memory. It's because I record this with a phone. Anyway, I was telling you about these things. I bought them because I'm planning on just cleaning up an engine. I want to make it look nice. And there's spots I can't get into, so these little brushes. The only thing I haven't figured out is, do I use stainless steel or brass and aluminum? I think I got to get brass ones, but I ordered them from China. Don't tell anybody I ordered from China. China, China, China. Everybody loves China. So anyway, they make them cheap. For a bag of 10, I think it's like $7. They don't sell them around here. And if you do buy the Dremel brand ones, which are probably made in the same factory, they're probably $4 each. I order all these things on. They may not last for a very long time, but hey. So with that said, that's all I ordered. I do have what do you call it? Couple of things that I ordered on, a couple of bike parts that I ordered online that are going to probably make an interesting video, but who knows? And Arco from Outlaw Edge is texting me right now, so I'm going to end this video and go see what he's talking about, or what he wants, and tell him what the hell, in the middle of the video? What? Oh, and I forgot. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, just click some buttons, and awesome.